How to delete all photos in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to install the Google Photos app from your Play Store. That will be applied on your iPhone as well as on Android. Now we are going to open the Google Photos app. We are going to know that how to delete all photos in Google Photos. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. There is not an option of available which have to select all the photos to delete at a time. You have to select photos like this. You have to select photos separately and click on the delete. Click on allow here. In this way you will delete all photos in Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.